From initial reports, walang foul play.
Na-secure na po ba yung mga belongings niya, mga cellphone?
Yes, ando doon na. The cell phone will be analyzed later. We're asking it from the family kasi kinuha nila. So we're gonna ask it later. We're also gonna have to ask access to the computer, so laptops of Yusek Cabral. But that will have to be subject to a subpoena by the Sandigan Bayan or by the Ombudsman or the NBI in their investigation.
So after na-retrieve po ng remains, naibigay po sa pamilya yung mga...
Parang ganun nangyayari.
Tama po ba yung protocol na?
It was a crime scene. So there were lapses on the part of the investigators. But we are doing everything we can now para ma-retrieve lahat ng mga materials yan. And we are now going to mandate an autopsy and a DNA test para sigurado talagang ang manner of death kung may foul play o wala. But from initial reports, walang foul play.
May na-establish na po kaya sino yung huling kausap niya bago nangyari?
Wala. It seemed parang iniwan lang siya ng driver. Tahimik daw, iniwan ng driver, bumaba ng kotse para mag-i-inspect lang daw siya. Parang normal sa kanila yan eh. Tapos pinalis na siya. Tapos nakita nila siya sa ilalim sa bagin. Mga 8 o'clock p.m.
Sa pagkakaalam niyo, si Yusek Cabral, gaano ba kalaking personalidad dito sa issue
Kasama
na ito?
siya, sa aking pagkakaalam, kasama siya ni Yusek Bernardo as the principal architects of the flood control scam.